now if I don't die laughing first.
What's this, a trick? I'm not impressed. You're bad and now you're tall. It makes it all the more worthwhile to see a giant fall.
Talk, but I tell you, this giant's going nowhere. If I were you, I'd take a hike. There's danger in the air.
I'm the only Pumpkin King. Well, I'm feeling angry and there's plenty left to do. I fought your most unwelcome help and now I'm after you.
Even if you catch me, you can never do me in. I'm 10 stories high and just as strong, which means I'm gonna win.
I'm the only Pumpkin King. It's over. You're finished. You'll never get away. You, the 7 Holidays King, that'll be the day.
How feeble, how childish. Is that the best you got? You think that you're a hero, Jack, but I think you are not. Whoa! Now it's time for you to see what it really means to scare. 'Cause I'm the gambling boogeyman, although I don't play fair. It's much more fun, I must confess, when lives are on the line. Not mine, of course, but yours, oh friend.